sales up by 65%, profits up by 81%, and orders worth rupees 1197 crores on the books. This tech company is growing fast and moving into the US markets with rupees 105 crores ready for buying other companies and its stock price already up by 10 times. Where is this hidden winner headed next? Watch to find out. Hey everyone, and welcome to another edition of Noisemaker. Here we cut through the noise to highlight hidden gems in the stock market. I am Sejal Agrawal, Equity Research Analyst at Desvelado Advisory, and in today's episode, we are diving into two companies making moves that could shape their future growth. As always, this is not a buy or sell recommendation of any kind. So today's lineup includes AGI Infra Limited and Ceinsys Tech Limited. Now, AGI Infra Limited is a prominent real estate developer in North India, specializing in residential and commercial construction services. The company's delivery volume recently surged to 71% compared to 37% previously, and monthly average of 53% backed by strong quarterly results. Financially, Q3 FY25 revenue reached rupees 91.4 crores, marking 17.9% quarter-on-quarter growth, with EBITDA margin stabilizing at 31.4%. Also, the company reported a strong net profit margin of 20.9% in Q3 FY25, demonstrating strong profitability in its operations. Looking ahead, the company plans to launch premium projects and gradually monetize its 160-acre land across Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Mohali, and New Chandigarh. Now, the second company is Ceinsys Tech Limited, which is a leader in enterprise geospatial and engineering services, specializing in capturing, analyzing, and managing geographical data. Now, the company reported a remarkable 65% year-on-year rise in revenue to rupees 418 crores in FY25, primarily driven by 3.5 times jump in technology solutions revenue, which now contributes 51% of total revenue. Also, the PAT grew impressively 81% year-on-year to rupees 63.2 crores, with growth fueled by increased projects in IoT and enterprise solutions. The company currently holds an executable order book of rupees 1197 crores, of which rupees 1019 crore is in water domain, providing strong visibility in the near term. Also, the company is intensifying its focus on the US telecom sector by scaling its geospatial services offerings, which also targets a higher share of international revenues through annuity-based contracts. This strategic pivot is expected to enhance revenue stability and position the company as a significant player in the global geospatial and technology solutions market. Reviewing some of our previous picks, we have Synergy Green Industries Limited, which was covered at rupees 500.1, now trading at rupees 522, up by 4.4%. Thyrocare Technologies Limited, which was covered at rupees 821.1, now trading at rupees 922, up by 12.3%. Elpec Solar Limited, which was covered at rupees 767, now trading at rupees 785, up by 2.3%. Choice International Limited, which was covered at rupees 585, now trading at rupees 629.8, up by 7.7%. And Healthcare Global Enterprises Limited, which was covered at rupees 599.6, now trading at rupees 595.9, down by 0.7%. Now, summary of our today's recent filings includes AGI Infra Limited, which delivery volume surged to 71% with strong quarterly results showing 25.6% year-on-year revenue growth, currently executing 1.14 square feet of projects with plans to unlock 160-acre land for premium developments. And Ceinsys Tech Limited, which reported 65% year-on-year revenue growth to rupees 418 crore, driven by technology solutions, has an executable order book of 1,197 crore rupees and is expanding into the US telecom sector. So that's a wrap for today's Noisemaker. For more details, you can check out the full report in the description, and stay ahead and stay informed.